So to sketch a graph of a system that has one solution, just pick a dot. Let me see. I'm gonna use black, whatever. And then I would like to use a straight edge, but I don't know. I might mess up something, but I'm gonna try it. So I'm just gonna pick a dot, right? And then I'm gonna draw a straight line through that dot. Put arrowheads on it. And then I'm gonna pick a different color and put a dot on top of that dot. And I'm gonna draw a straight line. Oops, is that through the dot? Okay, so this is how you know that the system has one solution. For a system with no solutions, I'm gonna put a dot here, and I'm gonna put a dot here, and I'm gonna put another dot here, and I'm gonna put another dot here. I'm gonna try my little piece of paper because that's crazy. Don't judge me on my artwork. Okay. Please don't. This is not working either. Let's use a pen. I'm gonna use the side of a pen. See if that keeps the paper from, my little paper from moving. Okay, so does anybody remember why? Huh? Does anybody remember, based on the equation, the system, how you would know that they don't touch? Does anybody remember? No, it's because they have the same slope. So just write yourself a little note. Same slope. What about infinitely many solutions? What does that look like? Do you have any idea? One line. Mm-hmm. Look at you. So I'm gonna actually use two colored dots, right? Wait. Okay, it went away. Great. So I'm gonna put a little red dot inside indicating, oops, don't do that. Indicating that it's two lines on top of each other. And what color does red and green make? Bright yellow. It's red and something else. Maybe is it purple? I don't know. Maybe, oh, maybe it's yellow and something. I don't know. Okay, so just to give you a little example of what that would look like. So it would be like, I don't know, X plus Y equals 2. And then if I multiply 2 to that, it would be 2X plus 2Y equals 4. So that would be an example of the same line, okay? Can you see that? It would be an example of the same line. Okay? So it says graph the following systems using the Desmos graphing calculator, then state the number of solutions the system of equations has, and explain your answers by describing the type of system you see. Okay? So you're going to use Desmos to graph that. Graph the system. So the first one is y equals 2x minus 3, and the other one is 1/2 x plus 6. So are you ready? Okay. So if you want to take anything advanced, oops, let me move my face out the way. If you want to take anything advanced, then you should use f of x, right? But if you're using your phone, that might be a little tedious because you got to go back and forth between screens. Two x minus 3. And then the other one, you would have to say, I don't know, g of x But you can also use just y, okay? You can say y equals, totally up to you. Okay, what's the solution to this? How do you find it? How do you find the solution, somebody? It's one of the graphs at the top. It's the first one. So how do I, like, where do I see it? Where do I see the solution?
Where the lines intersect.
Yes. So all you do using Desmos is you click in the box, one of them. Okay. So you click the dot and you can label it. If it pops up, you can actually label it. Okay. All right. So just answer each one of those on your own.